Hi, introducing a non-manned coffee machine ordering solution that allows everything from ordering to coffee extraction with just a single tablet. You can conveniently order by selecting the menu directly from your tablet screen. You can also scan the QR code to access the mobile ordering screen and use the QR code issued after payment to place your order. As for payment methods, both physical card payment using a terminal and QR code payment without a terminal are supported. Now, please see the process of use through the demonstration video. All-in-one tablet solution for unmanned coffee ordering and extraction. Easy ordering via tablet or mobile QR code system. Supports both card terminal and QR code payments. Thank you for watching.